Hi everyone. Um, I am the program director for mechanical engineering. My name is Muhammad Faisal Fauzan, or people call me Dr. Faisal. So today I just want to give you a quick briefing about mechanical engineering. Okay, if you want to know more about me, you can just Google my name. Okay, there's a lot of information. For example, ResearchGate, okay, or Scholar, Google Scholar is about my research, publications, citations, things like that. All right. Uh, this is something called expert.tailors.edu.my. Okay, so basically, if you go to expert.tailors, okay, here you can find a lot of information about all the lecturers in Taylor's University, especially their expertise, their research area, their interests, and especially, the research interests in terms of engineering. For example, if you go to faculty, our faculty is Faculty of Innovation and Technology, School of Engineering, okay, and if you don't know the name, you just search find, right? Scroll down, you can see all the lecturers, okay. uh, all right, these are all the engineering lecturers, okay. We have mechanical, electrical, electronics, and also chemical engineering, okay. For example, you can see that. All right, for example, myself, okay, as you can see here, my expertise or my area of interest is combustion engine, alternative fuel, electric vehicles, hybrid fuel cell, renewable sustainable energy, okay, and also solar energy, green technology. That's my area. Okay, if you click CV, then you can see a lot more things. Okay, for example, the experience, okay, qualifications, all right, membership, okay, and also all the publications, books, journal articles, okay, conference proceedings, that kind of things. All right, that's just a bit about myself, okay. So of course you can have a look at other lecturers as well. You're going to meet them soon, okay, when you're here later, okay. But for now, all right, maybe you can just browse, and if you want to get to know more, then you can. All right. So of course there are things about work, about research, book publications. Okay, there are things from social media as well. For example, Facebook. All right. Okay. So basically, this is my Facebook. Okay, it's Faizal Fauzan. You can search. You can add me as friend if you like. Okay, there's no pressure there. It's up to you. But I will need you to join my Facebook group, which is Taylor's Mechanical Engineering Group. Okay, this one. Okay, Taylors. Okay, Taylor's Mechanical Engineering Group. Please join the group. Okay, I'm going to accept you. All right. Okay. So basically, a lot of things are going to be updated here. So please join this group. All right. For example, right now, we don't have face-to-face classes. That's why I'm giving you briefing online today. All right. But hopefully we can see each other later in March. All right. These are all the mechanical engineering lecturers. Okay. Uh, all right. About the program, okay, if you go to your portal, okay, you can see your program guide. Okay, this is a program guide. So I'm just going to go through this program guide with you. Okay. Uh, so basically, this program guide is for all our engineering program. Okay, chemical engineering, electrical electronics, and mechanical engineering. All right. So let's go through. Okay. Uh, okay, I'll just skip this part here. All right. Okay, this is for chemical engineering. Oh, still chemical. I think this is for electrical electronics. Okay. All right. So this is for mechanical engineering. Okay, so basically you have 4 options here. Okay, option A is you do your major mechanical engineering, and then you can take up to 5 free elective. This free elective can be anything from other schools. It can be business, it can be humanities, social science, culinary arts. Okay, so you have more flexibility. Okay, this is kind of good for you to be more multi-dimensional, to try other things. Okay, option B will be mechanical engineering will be your major, and then you can have minor. Minor means all the 5 subjects that you're going to take. Rather than taking 5 different subjects, you can just take a package. For example, minor in project management. So all the 5 subjects will be related to project management. For example, risk management, planning management, that kind of things. Okay, you can have a double minor, which will take more time, up to 4.5 years, or you can take double major, will take 5 years. Okay, these are other options for you to explore, but normally you go for either option A and option B, right? Okay, all right, let's go through the things. Okay, these are compulsory subject. Okay, university compulsory subjects that you need to take in your first year. All right. Okay, this is study plan 1. Okay, we have a few study plan here. This one is for minor. All right, so as you can see here, okay, you're going to do your minor in semester 4. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have the 5th one here. So this minor can be free elective. Okay, so for example, for study plan 3, okay, study plan 4. All right, this is for March intake. So you have free elective. So rather than taking minor, it's going to become a free elective. Okay. So the difference is free elective, you can take different subject. Okay. Let's say business here, social science here, humanities here, performing arts here. But for minor, okay, all the subjects grouped together from the same area. Okay. All right. So for those of you who are joining as a new student, okay, so basically you're going to start with this semester 1. All right. Except that if you are coming here with credit transfer, then probably you have some exemption. They say maths 1's exempted, few subjects exempted, and your semester 1 will be different. But for majority of you, okay, this is the program structure. All right. Okay. So as you can see here, your semester 1, okay, you only have maths 1, engineering design and analysis. Okay, this is compulsory module and 3. All right, and also some of you will need to take bahasa kebangsaan or bahasa Malaysia. Right, if you don't have BM, okay, SPM, right. So basically it's quite low, it's only 12 credits, okay, compared to other semester where you have like 18, 16. So, okay, as you can see here, you know, in January semester, you have these properties and applications of materials, okay. So I'm also offering this subject, okay, this is short semester is only 7 weeks, okay, and it's very cramped, right, and we have a high failure rate here, okay. More than 24% failure rate because it's a very short semester with lab, and also Chinese New Year holidays also here. Okay, so I really suggest you, okay, to rather than taking properties and applications of materials in short semester January, take it now. Okay, take it in March. Okay, you add the subject. So if you want to add the subject, okay, just write to Campus Central saying that you want to add properties and materials. Okay, it's 4 credits. Okay, so it's going to be 12 plus 4 is 16 credits. So it's still considered okay, all right? Because otherwise it's too, call it easy, all right? You know, for your first semester. Okay, so I suggest you add properties and applications materials. Of course, the fee is going to be higher for your first semester, but then total cost will be the same. Okay, it's just you are bringing forward from January short semester 2021 to March 2020 here. All right. Okay, so basically about the free elective and major and minor, okay, in your second semester in August, you're going to have another briefing for that. Okay, but apart from that, you can see these are the subjects. Okay, so you start with maths 1 and then maths 2. Okay, thermodynamics, fluid mechanics. Okay, second semester is going to be a bit tougher, but first semester is going to be very easy. Okay, just maths 1 and design 1. Okay, and then year 2 you're going to have computer aided engineering, design, project management, statics, introduction to electronics, electrical power and machines. Okay, and then after that you are free to do your free elective, okay, from other schools, all right, or do your minor, or even go for global mobility, where you can do your subjects in other country, for example in US or UK. So we have that global mobility program as well. All right, okay, about that, and then you have industrial training, okay, in your year 3, okay, in the January semester as well. All right, and one thing I want to share with you is about this year 4 module, which is professional engineers and society. So this is where you're going to learn about being professional, how to be a professional engineers, and also about making your portfolio. All right, so during this time you will need to, one of the assessment is you need to submit a portfolio. So in your portfolio, whatever project you have, you know, for example mechanical engineering group project 1, okay, this project from your year 2, okay, which is design project management. Okay, you have a project in year 1, design analysis. Okay, and of course U4 is also project based, okay, which is a social innovation project. Okay, so you need to keep all this project file, you know, all your report that have been assessed with all the feedback, because make sure you keep all your projects report. Okay, because in your 4th year, in your final year, okay, for the professional engineers and society class, you need to call it put together, okay, all of it, okay, um, for one of the assessment, which is a portfolio. All right, okay, all right, I think that's it. Okay, if you have more questions, okay, we can discuss more about it later. Okay, maybe I'll discuss about other things. Okay, this is the global mobility. So like I said, you can either do elective here or you do subjects in other universities. Okay. All right. So for global mobility, we have this global mobility office. They're going to give you more briefings about that. Okay. Okay, maybe I want to share a bit about this free elective. Okay, you call it complementary study. Okay, I think I search from here, complementary study guide. Okay, so this is a complementary study, the one that I mentioned just now. Okay, so as you can see here, you can take minor, for example, minor in accounting. Let's say if you want to take minor in accounting or advertising, for example, then all the 5 subjects needs to be these subjects. Okay, example, 4 from here, another 1 from here. So all is the advertising subject. Then you get the mechanical engineering degree with minor in advertising. Okay, otherwise just take free elective, for example, just 1 subject here, 1 subject here, 1 subject in architecture, 1 subject in biotechnology, then it's going to be free elective. All right, so all the list of modules, okay, is actually available in your portal. Okay, so these are all the minor that we have. Okay, so there's a lot of option for you. Okay, we have performing arts here, mobile technology if you are interested in you know, mobile computing. Okay, so it's kind of interesting. Okay, nutrition maybe. All right, something related as well, like a power and energy system. Okay, or psychology. Okay, mechanical engineering degree, my major and minor in psychology. Okay, it's becoming more important now. All right. Okay, so that's something that you can do. Okay. All right. Okay, I think I go back to this one. I'm going to explain a bit more about other things. Uh, okay, industrial training is basically internship. Okay, you're going to get to know about internship more later. All right, we have Euphoria. Euphoria is actually engineering undergraduate for industrial adoption program. Okay, this program that we have. Okay, for example, Daikin can adopt one of you. Okay, since year 1 or year 2 until you finish your degree. Okay, that and then after that, you're going to do projects with Daikin, and in the end of the day, you can work with Daikin. Okay, so this one can enhance your job opportunities. All right. Okay, this is a bit about academic calendar. Okay, so we are supposed to have orientation on 25th to 27th of March, but because of this pandemic, so we are doing it online. Okay, and hopefully class will start in the first week of April. Okay, after the closure. All right. So as you can see here, in the first week, you can still do your add and drop. So you can add the properties and application of materials. The subject I mentioned just now, that's supposed to be in January. You can add it now and do it in March. Okay. All right. Okay, and also choosing of your free elective and complementary study, you're going to get notification for that. Okay. All right. So you can go through this. Okay, it's a academic calendar, right, for the year. Okay, I believe the program guide, you can find it in your student portal. Okay, right now classes will be online. Okay, but then if not, then make sure you attend all classes. Even for online class, make sure you do whatever is necessary. Okay, it's very important. It's very important to come to class, right? Okay. So for example, right now we have a lot of e-learning activities. So make sure you complete all the online activities. Okay, every module will have these activities like online quiz, even online videos. Make sure you watch it. Yeah, okay, and attendance will be taken based on the completion of the activities. Okay, so take it very seriously, please. All right. Okay, this is about assessment, grading. Okay, so we use pointer system. All right, I think I'm going to show to you later. Okay, this is just rules and regulation of exam. Okay, all right, it will be announced to you during or before the examinations. Okay, we have receipt. Okay, receipt exam. Okay, it's called marginal fail. Okay, if you got a D, all right, which is 40, passing marks is 50, which is C. So you got D, 40 to 49. Okay, you'll be given opportunities to resit the exam without the need to repeat the whole semester again. But the condition is, okay, you can only get maximum C. All right, maximum C after the resit. So if you repeat, okay, you can get better grade. Right, so let's say you repeat the whole semester again for the subject. If you fail, you manage to get B or A, then that will be your results. Okay, the best one. All right. Okay, but if you fail, then you need to repeat the module. Okay, in the next semester. Okay, which is if you got F. All right. So maximum attempts is 3 times. So if you fail a subject for 3 times, then you'll be excluded from the program. Okay, so make sure. Okay, after you fail once, don't fail again. Okay, yeah, fail is fine, but make sure you don't fail the same thing twice, right? Okay, we have things called academic probation as well. Okay, this is actually to help you. Okay, if you are not performing, then you will be placed in academic probation. Okay, where your academic performance will be monitored closely. Okay, by our academic success mentor, Miss Jamila, and also by me. Okay. We have maximum completion time. Okay, normal completion time is 4 years. Okay, the maximum is 6 years, which is 12 semester, no more than that. All right, so if you fail, you repeat subject, fail, repeat subjects, probably it's going to take you more than 4 years, but it cannot be more than 6 years. All right. Okay. All right. So this is our pointer system. If you get A, then the grade point is 4, which is the maximum, 4.0. Okay, minus 3.67, B plus 3.3. Okay, the pass is C, which is 2.0. Okay, so basically you need to get 2.0 and above to pass, all right, and to get your degree. Okay, so basically for each subject, okay, your grade points, okay, will be average. Okay, we call it GPA. Okay, I think it's down there. All right. Okay. It's a grade point average GPA for each semester. Okay, and we have CGPA as well. Okay, so for example, you are taking 3 subjects and then you get these points, 2 points for C, 2.33 for C plus, and 3 for B. So it's going to be average, and your GPA is 2.44 average from this, and according to credit as well. Okay, and then at the end of the day, we're going to calculate your CGPA, which is cumulative. Okay, GPA for each semester, CGPA is cumulative, so it's going to take average of every semester together. So at the end of the day, CGPA is the one that's count for your degree. All right. Okay, and then after at the end of degree, okay, if your CGPA is 3.67 and above, you're going to get awarded first class. Okay, followed by second class upper, second class lower, and third class honors. Okay, and if it's below 2.0, then you are not awarded any degree. So minimum is going to be 2.0 for third class honors, right? Okay. We have Dean's List. Okay, so Dean's List for every semester, if you achieve more than 3.5 pointer, then you will get the certificate of Dean's List. Okay. All right, it's a recognition. Okay, and you can include this recognition in your CV, all right, in your portfolio as well. Okay, so we have other things like best student and book prize that can also enhance, okay, your profile. Okay. All right, in the lab, so make sure you wear shoes. Okay, follow all the safety procedure. That's very important. Safety come first. Okay. All right, there's also study plan for transfer. Okay, we have Birmingham 2+2. Okay, so this is for chemical. All right, we have electrical electronics. It's mechanical, right? So the first year and second year more or less the same thing. Okay, properties you can do here. Okay, you do 2 years here and then you can finish another 2 year in Birmingham. Okay, this is another option if you like. All right, 2+2 degree program. Okay. All right, if you have more questions, okay, feel free to email me. This is my email. I'm the program director for mechanical engineering. Okay, this is also email for our faculty office. The one that's in charge for our engineering program is Miss Serene. Okay. Student success advisor, the one I mentioned just now, is Miss Jamie. Okay. All right, so that's a bit about academics. I hope you understand about it, but I just want to share with you, since you are in university, yes, at the end of the day, you're going to get your degree, but don't just focus on getting the degree at the end, the piece of paper at the end. Focus on the journey, what you can do now. A lot of things you can do throughout your degree. For example, you can join clubs and societies. You can join our racing team. Okay, I'm the advisor for Taylor's racing team. Okay, so join racing team, for example, where they build car and then join competitions. Currently, they are building electric racing car. Okay, you can follow their Facebook. You can search their Instagram as well. All right, there's a lot of things you can do as well. We have Mereka Makerspace, okay, where they make things, okay, and you can learn design thinking. We even have something called a setup. All right, Mr. Shibu is the director for setup. Setup is a place where, if you have a good idea, probably you can, or even if you have a good project, you can bring it further, make it a prototype, and then make it a, for example, a pattern out of it. Okay, start a business, go for crowdfunding. Okay, be an entrepreneur. All right. So there's a lot of workshops. All of it is free for you. Okay, it's already there. So not just coming and study to class. You take all these opportunities, to do everything that you can. Okay, and there's a lot of things available. Okay, in university is the best place for you. For example, you know how to build things, but you don't know how to make it marketable. Then we have business students, for example, and you can collaborate with them. Okay, you don't know how to make it attractive. We have design students, collaborate with designs, school, okay, to make it attractive and marketable. Okay, and then probably you can start a company by 3-4 people start a company together. So rather than finding jobs, you can create jobs. All right, so take this opportunity. Don't just come to class, sit for exam. I mean, at the end of the day, you probably got a degree, but that's not supposed to be the only aim or the only goal. Don't just aim for getting a degree, but look for the opportunities that you're going to have here. Look at the journey that you're going to, have for throughout the 4 years of your degree. Okay. All right. I think we'll see each other again. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, and good luck and all the best to all of you.